In this video, I will analyze last year's BBQ product line sales from the Modern Living Kensington store using Excel's multiple regression tools. So let's start by downloading the provided dataset and converting it into Excel workbook. So originally it like this, and this file format is CSV, and after we save as the new Excel workbook, it will become like this. And first thing, we should adjust the column, which I already done. So now let's perform a preliminary correlation analysis to check how each predictor variable is related to the others. So first thing, we should create this number, and which is average cost score, discounted items, and online click, which in the row and in the column. And we should use the this format, which is Correl, CORREL, and we should click the data here, and to calculate all of them. So the reason I do not calculate this blank space is because they're exactly the same with the data in the in below, because they're totally the same. And this matrix will help us to understand how closely related our independent variables are. So if two predictors are highly corrected, it might affect our regression accuracy. So now I will run a multiple linear regression to model how these three variables, customer store, discount quality, and online clicks, affect the BBQ unit sales. So the first thing, we should click the data and click the data analysis and choose the regression, and I will put the unit sales in the input Y range, and I will put the average customer score, discounted items, online clicks, and this three into input X range. We can see that this are all our data, and click the labels and output, and OK, and we will get that. So now let's look at the output. We will focus on the key statistics like the R-squared and the coefficients and the p-values to evaluate the model performance. So in the regression output, I will highlight the R-square. Why? Because it can show how well the predictors explain the unit sales, and the coefficient, which here y is because it can help us to understand the direction and the strength of influence, and the p-value in order to test if the effect is statistically significant. So yeah, just like this, highlight them. And then I may now format the output and export it into the PDF or paste it into a Word report for Modern Living's internal use. So we should choose the file and choose the print, and it's important to click the scale to fit. If not, we will see that. So it will it shows pretty well in the whole page, and just the PDF and save as PDF, and all of them were done. So that's the end of our week 10 Excel analysis. Using multiple linear regression, we've uncovered how customer satisfaction, discounts, and website traffic influenced the BBQ sales last year. So this will help Modern Living decide on a potential relaunch. Thanks for watching.